Now we will see IUPAC naming of a compound, name of a compound is given. We have to write the structure of the compound. IUPAC name is given. We have to write the structure of the compound. See, butane 2-ol. So we know that from that we know that the parent compound contains 4 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Butane 2-ol. That means OH group is in the second carbon atom. This is first carbon atom. This is second, third, and fourth. So butane 2-ol. So we wrote OH group is in the second carbon atom. 2-methyl. So second place, another one, methyl group. We know the valence of carbon is 4. So 1 valence is over. So remaining 3. In this carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4 valence is satisfied. Here 1, 2, so remaining 2 hydrogen. Here only 1, so remaining 3 hydrogen. So first of all, we have to write the parent compound. Parent compound we wrote as 1, 2, 3, 4 butane and 2-ol. Second place OH group. Second place methyl group. Second place methyl. Remaining we have to fill the valence of carbon with the hydrogens. CH3, CH2, CH3. Now this compound 1-phenyl propan 2-ol. Phenyl group means C6H6, that is benzene. If you remove one hydrogen, C6H5, that is phenyl group. C6H5, phenyl. And this is benzene. From this, one hydrogen is removed. 1-phenyl propan 2-ol. So parent compound is propane. 1, 2, 3. Propan 2-ol. The second place OH group. First place phenyl group. We can write one phenyl group there. This is phenyl group. So CH2, CH, AC. This is 1-phenyl propan 2-ol. 3,5-dimethyl hexane 1,3,5-triol. So hexane is the parent compound. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if we start from here, 1, 2, 3. 3. Third position, 1 methyl group. 4. Fifth position, 1 methyl group. 3,5-dimethyl. And 1,3,5-triol. That means here 1 OH, third position 1 OH, and fifth position 1 OH. Now for this carbon 2 valence is over. So CH2, here CH2, here all the valence is satisfied. CH2, here also all the valence is satisfied. CH3. So what you have to do first? The parent compound you have to write. Parent compound is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And third and fifth position methyl group. 1, 2, 3. Here 1 methyl group. Here 1 methyl group. And first, third and fifth position OH. So here 1 OH. Here 1 OH. Here 1 OH. Remaining you can write the hydrogen. Cyclomethanol. Cyclohexane. This is cyclohexane. Cyclohexyl methanol. Methanol is CH3OH. So here cyclohexyl methanol. So this is the parent compound. This is the substituent. Cyclohexyl. Cyclohexyl methanol. This next compound. Cyclopent 3-ene 1-ol. So cyclopentane. 5 side. Cyclopent 3-ene 1-ol. So first place OH 1, 2, 3. Here double bond. Cyclopent. This is first place. This is second place. This is third. Pent 3-ene means double bond. 1-ol. Cyclopent 3-ene 1-ol. See this question. Convert ethyl magnesium chloride to propan 1-ol. Ethyl, alkyl, magnesium, chloride, halogen. Alkyl magnesium halide. This is known as Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. So Grignard reagent, that is ethyl magnesium chloride, that we have to convert into propan 1-nol. We know that propan 1-nol is a primary alcohol, and we know that Grignard reagent can be converted to primary alcohol, secondary alcohol or tertiary alcohol. If we are using formaldehyde with the Grignard reagent, an addition product will be formed, and that one hydrolysis will give primary alcohol. So formaldehyde will give only primary alcohol. Other aldehydes react with the Grignard reagent and the product on hydrolysis gives secondary alcohol. Whereas ketone on reaction with Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis gives tertiary alcohol. So in this question, we want to get a primary alcohol. So we'll see how we can make a primary alcohol from a Grignard reagent. So ethyl magnesium chloride, ethyl CH3, CH2, MgCl. When this react with formaldehyde actually HCHO, I am going to write the formaldehyde like this: H, C, H, double bond O. We know that oxygen is highly electronegative, so it will pull the electron towards oxygen. This oxygen will be negative, this carbon will be positive. In this part will be positive and this will be negative. So with the negative of this positive part will attach, and with the positive of this negative part will attach, and we will get an addition product. So H, C, H, to the O, MgCl will attach. MgCl, and to the carbon, positive carbon, the CH2, CH3 will attach. CH2, CH3. Now, if you do hydrolysis, what will happen? H will come here and OH will come here. So what will be the product? H, this H, C, H, and this O will become OH, and here CH2, CH3. Byproduct is MgOH, Cl. This no need to write in conversion. When they ask conversion, no need to write the byproduct. So once again I'll explain. Here the question is ethyl magnesium chloride we have to convert into propan 1-nol. This ethyl magnesium chloride is nothing but a Grignard reagent, and we know that Grignard reagent, when it reacts with the formaldehyde, addition product will be formed. That addition product on hydrolysis forms only primary alcohol. Whereas if you use any other aldehyde, the product formed will be secondary alcohol. Instead of aldehyde, if you use a ketone, the product formed will be tertiary alcohol. So CH3, CH2, MgCl, HCHO. So in this, oxygen is highly electronegative. So this oxygen will be slightly negative, carbon will be positive. Here this part will be positive and this will be negative. To this positive carbon, this negative will attach, that is CH2, CH3, and to this negative part, MgCl will attach, and that on hydrolysis we will get the primary alcohol. This is nothing but propan 1-nol. 1, 2, 3. So from here you can start 1, 2, 3. Propan 1-nol. Convert methyl magnesium bromide to 2-methyl propan 2-ol. 2-methyl propan 2-ol. 1, 2, 3. 2-methyl propan 2-ol. This is a tertiary alcohol. This is a tertiary alcohol, and the starting compound is Grignard reagent. So Grignard reagent react with the ketone and forms an addition product. That addition product on hydrolysis gives tertiary alcohol. So first we will write the Grignard reagent: CH3, Mg, Br, Grignard reagent with ketone CH3, CH3 double bond O. So in this, oxygen is highly electronegative, so this will be slightly negative and this will be positive. Here this is positive and this is negative. To the negative part, the positive part will attach. To the positive part, this negative part will attach. So CH3, CH3. So this carbon is positive. To this CH3 group will attach, and to the O, MgBr will attach. And when you do hydrolysis, H will come here and OH will come here. So CH3, CH3, OH, CH3, 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 here OH. And obviously the byproduct is Mg, OH, Br. Then no need to write in conversion. In conversion they are not expecting the byproduct. So once again I will explain. The Grignard reagent reacts with the ketone and forms an addition product. That addition product on hydrolysis gives tertiary alcohol. So once again I will tell you, Grignard reagent, when it reacts with the formaldehyde, the product formed on hydrolysis will give only primary alcohol. Other than formaldehyde, if you use any other aldehyde, the product formed will be secondary alcohol. And if you use ketone, the addition product formed on hydrolysis will form tertiary alcohol.